In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Muse 2 device to Neuroblock. The first step is powering on the Muse device using the power button inside of the headset. So you look very close, you should see a power button in the inside. So you want to hold that power button down for a few seconds until you see this light flashing back and forth. Once you see that light, go into Neuroblock and press the Bluetooth button. The Bluetooth button is the blue button on this right hand side. Once you press this button, wait for a few seconds and you should see your Bluetooth device pop up. You're going to want to go and connect to that device, pressing the connect button, and wait a few more seconds, and after that you should see data streaming. Once the device is successfully connected to Neuroblock, you should see data over here in the top left pane. You should also see a bar graph over here in the bottom pane. If it looks like this is picking up noise, so in order to get it to pick up brain data, let's actually mount it. You want to make sure you're getting good contact behind the ears and also in the forehead area. The top left pane of Neuroblock features the real-time brainwave data coming from your connected device. The bottom left pane contains features that can be mapped to different physiological states. We'll talk about the meaning of each of these in a later video. In the top right corner of Neuroblock, you will find a set of menu buttons. At the very top is the play button. The play button should be pressed anytime you want to start your program. If you want to stop the program or land the drone, you can hit the stop button right below the play button. You can also hit the save button, which is located right below the stop button, if you want to save your progress or save a program to come back to later. Right below the save button is the upload button. Use this button to upload a program that has been previously saved. Below the upload button is the Bluetooth button. Use this button to connect to your brainwave headset. Right below the Bluetooth button is information regarding the drone's battery power. Use this information to keep track of how much charge your drone currently has. The last core feature of Neuroblock is the trash can. Use the trash can anytime you need to delete code. Okay, so with that, you're now ready to get started making your first brain-computer interface application.